Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. Today we are going to be making chicken enchiladas. This is an updated version of the recipe I posted like many years ago. I still use either or. This one is definitely more updated and a little bit more spicy, but you can totally adjust the spice level. I love this recipe. I love it as leftovers. As delicious as they are when they're fresh, they're even better when you reheat them. So, without further ado, let's get started.